beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you 3 easy traditional slash wedding slash festive hairstyles that you can try out this festive season, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'll be starting with the most easiest hairstyle first, but before starting with the hairstyle, I'm gonna remove these earrings because मुझे hairstyle बनाते हुए earrings अटकेंगी मेरे बालों में and बहुत ज़्यादा messy हो जाएगा. So I'm just gonna remove these and I'll be back. Okay, I just removed my earrings ताकि hairstyle बनाना आसान हो जाए. So for the first hairstyle, I'll be going very easy. So I'm gonna take my comb and I'm going to comb first of all a little bit. Okay. I will be showing very classy hairstyles. I'm going to take this much and this much from the same side. Like this. Okay. And I'm gonna just tie the rest ताकि बीच में ना आए वो. I'm going to make a braid. मेरे बाल बाहर आ रहे हैं बिकॉज मैंने लेयर कट कराया हुआ है, बट अगर आपने नहीं कराया so it's not gonna happen with you guys. At the end से पहले ही मुझे रबर बैंड बांधना पड़ेगा. I'm gonna use these elastic rubber bands and just gonna tie. Okay, people with long hair, short hair, medium length hair, सब लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं इस हेयर स्टाइल को. ये होने के बाद मैं ये जो edges हैं इनसे I'm gonna just pull it a little bit ताकि beautiful से shape में आ जाए, as you can see right now. Just gonna open my hair now. Going to take this thing backwards here. Same for this side. You can even tie a rubber band पीछे की side. I just used a bobby pin. And once this is done, I have a flower with me which I'm going to use basically. मेरे पास और कोई flower नहीं है, मैं भूल गई. मुझे गेंदे के फूल भी लेने थे, but I forgot that. So I'm gonna use these ones, these white ones. They're so pretty. Pull it out. They're so cute. I mean, they're super duper cute. I'm going to just place it इधर कहीं पे भी ऐसे में. I hope I'm doing it right. I really hope I'm doing it right. Yeah, they are looking so cute. Adorable actually. I'm going to do the same thing this side as well. Oh god, it's a little bit tricky because ये fresh नहीं रहे. I got them yesterday and I'm shooting अभी. But they're so cute. I mean, इन सबको हम अब पीछे तक लगाएंगे and So मैंने behind the scene चारों तरफ लगा दिया है. I'm actually loving this hairstyle. I'm actually dying for this hairstyle. It's super duper cute. And किसी की मेहंदी हो तो वो भी ये कर सकता है hairstyle because it's quite trending on Pinterest and everywhere. And I just love it. I can't believe I did it to be honest, but I really love it. You can definitely try this hairstyle out. Now let's move on to the second hairstyle. For the second hairstyle, it's very easy एंड इट्स लाइक आपको कहीं बाहर जाके किसी भी सैलून में बन बनाने की या कुछ बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो द सेकेंड हेयर स्टाइल इज़ अ हेयर बन, अ वेरी क्यूट braided हेयर बन. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द सेंटर पार्टीशन. होपफुली हो गया हो सेंटर, नहीं भी हुआ तो चलो चलेगा. देन I'm just going to take the center partition all the way down back तक. Doesn't really matter एकदम center हो कि नहीं हो, but okay, the center partition is done. Now going to take my hair tightly from here, because एक बार पोनी बन गई उसके बाद you can't really do anything आगे की तरफ. So I'm gonna take a अच्छा quality का rubber band, not the elastic one. I'm going to tie a ponytail. Okay, it's done. Same for the other side as well. स्कूल की बच्ची लग रही हूँ मैं, देखो 2 पोनीज बना ली मैंने, स्कूल की बच्ची लग रही हूँ मैं लिटरली. ओके, वंस दिस इज़ डन, अब जो भी है कुछ ऐसा होगा. 2 पोनीटेल्स बना ली. अब इसमें हम ब्रेड बनाएंगे. सो एंड में मैंने बिल्कुल ऐसे टाई कर दिया इसको. नाउ अब मुझे पीछे होना पड़ेगा ताकि आप देख सको. थोड़ा सा मेसी होगा बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई कांट सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. सो और प्लस मेरे बालों में लाइक लेयर कट हो रखा है तो मेरे बाल ऐसे ऐसे निकलते हैं. सो इग्नोर दैट, आपके बालों में बहुत नीट हो सकता है ये. Okay, so this is how it is looking from behind. Now you just have to take your braids and tie it with the rubber band you used to tie your ponytails. You have to do it for both the braids, and then you just have to tuck them inside each other very neatly. Though my hairs are quite messy, you can just make it messy if you want to. Now once that is done, after tucking it inside, just use the bobby pin to simply secure your bun. Use as many bobby pins you want so that it just quite secure and just not fall down when you're just running or doing your things, whatever. And once that is done, I'm actually loving my bun so far. Once the pin thing is done, I'll be using these white flowers. Again, you can use any other flowers. You can use roses, or you just don't even have to use anything. It's completely optional if you want to use it or not. But I love flowers because it's Diwali, it's a wedding season going on, so you can definitely try it out, and I am loving it. Third hairstyle. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I am really enjoying this video abhi tak. So third hairstyle is gonna be very easy. You just need a rubber band. Where's the rubber band? I lost the rubber band. Oh god. Okay, here's the rubber band. Okay, you just need to take your hair, take your fingers and take your hair like this. Okay, and we'll be using a bobby pin to tie it over here like this. Okay, it needs to be very hardly done. Same goes for this side. Like this. Use as many bobby pins you want ताकि वो एकदम स्टिल रहे, उसी जगह पे रहे, like this. And pretty much my hairstyle is done with this. Like, it's super duper good. Now I'm going to just part my hair like this. This hairstyle is so typical one, you know. But I love this hairstyle. It's just give the perfect, very simple, easy, elegant. Everybody can do this hairstyle. Actually, I'm gonna use one more pin, I guess. Need to use one more pin. ओके थोड़ा सा पुश करना है मैं पीछे की तरफ से ऐसे एंड देन बॉबी पिन लगानी है या डन इट्स वेरी प्रिटी आई लाइक इट आई लव दिस हेयर स्टाइल इट्स सुपर प्रिटी गॉर्जियस एंड आई लव इट यू कैन इवन टेक सम ऑफ योर फ्लिक्स आउट लाइक दिस थोड़े से बाल निकाल सकते हो. And this was my last hairstyle and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me in the comment section below कि आपको इसका second part देखना है या और hairstyles देखने हैं, so मुझे comment section पे definitely बताए. Let me know also which other videos you guys want me to see and I really enjoyed filming this video after so long time and I hope मैं अब continuously video बना पाऊँ. Finger crossed, I really hope so. And yeah, pretty much of it guys. Follow me on my Instagram. This is how my Instagram handle looks like and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.
She's so beautiful and I tell her every day.